Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, folks, welcome back. We're looking at multiplying double brackets. Now, we're going to start with a nice, simple example first of all, and we'll move on to like more challenging examples. Let's start off with this particular one here. So we have number one, video one. Now, where do we start? We start at the first item, which is x. So we have x plus 3 in the first bracket multiplied by x plus 4 in the second bracket. So we need to multiply these out in a particular way. So one way of remembering it, we multiply out the front two, and then we multiply out the outside two. Oops. So front and then the outside ones. Okay. Or you just look at this. We start with the first item, we multiply it by each of the items in the second bracket. Simple way of thinking about it. Now let's write that down. So x times by x. Let's write it down, what we are doing. That's the first one. The next one is x times by... No, not 4. X times by plus 4. It's not x times by 4. It's x multiplied by plus 4. Okay, now, Mr. Ismail, where do we go now? We've done the x, now we have to start with the plus 3, the second item, and times that by each item in the second bracket. That is the technique for multiplying at double brackets. So we have now, what do we have? Plus 3. What's that being multiplied by, Ruqayya? First will be times by what? X. And then we have plus 3, Ismail will be multiplied by what? Plus 4. Remember, it's plus 3 multiplied by plus 4. You must take the sign into consideration. So, what do we get? So, x times by x will give us, come on class,
x squared.
X times by plus 4 will give us,
Plus
beautiful, plus 4x, plus, okay, Mr. Ismail, plus 3 times by x is, beautiful, plus 3x, lovely answer. Plus 3 times by x is plus 3x. Okay, plus 3 times by plus 4 is?
plus 12.
Well done. Now what we need to do now that we multiplied out the bracket, we've got 4 items here, we need to simplify. Now, we simplify like terms, and the only like terms that we have are these two over here. So these two are our like terms. X squared doesn't have any other like terms, plus 12 doesn't have any other like terms. So the final part of our answer, we're going to have x squared, a plus 12, and plus 4x plus 3x will give us what?
7.
And that is the end of our first example, first question. Nice and simple question. Are we happy with that? Yes?